Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to share a piece of information about a recent cyber attack on your MyCIC IRCC account. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. So guys, this is the official IRCC MyCIC login page. There they have clearly put up a message that a recent cyber attack has affected a number of IRCC accounts accessed through GC key. So it's like we know that there are two ways to access your MyCIC account, either through a GC key that you create or using your sign-in partner. So this is only for the GC key. So mostly for the people, those who are out of Canada, because a lot of people in Canada, they use like sign-in partner with like their bank debit cards to log in. We locked these accounts to protect them from unauthorized access. We sent an email to affected users to explain what to do next. So a lot of you may have found that your account has been locked. If you get an email from us, follow the steps to reactivate your account. But before you follow any instruction in the mail, you need to verify um, the following points in your email, like the content is both in English and French. From address is this one, the subject is this one, and all the links point to gc.ca page. So this is exactly what I wanted to convey in this video, because if you are not careful, and if you click on any suspicious email, because scammers are also going to take advantage of this situation. They may come up with some emails that look exactly like this, and then it may hit your mailbox, and some of you may share some valuable information with them that they may gain access to. It's not a very difficult task nowadays to create or copy some websites, because there are tools, there are technologies available which can easily do this task automatically. So you gotta protect yourself very carefully so that you do not get scammed, and you safeguard your valuable information. A lot of people might not be even aware of this, because there could be a situation like an email might have got to the junk folder, and they are not logging into their GC account regularly. So I would request you to please share this information, share this video with others as well, so that if there's a person who is affected and isn't aware of this situation, should become aware. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.